Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Allstays app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Allstays is a comprehensive travel app designed for RV owners, campers, and road travelers, providing detailed information on campgrounds, RV parks, truck stops, and other travel-related locations. The app integrates GPS mapping, searchable directories, user reviews, amenities filters, and route planning tools, all in one place. It also supports offline access, which is useful in areas with limited connectivity. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Allstays for its extensive database, detailed listings, and ability to plan routes efficiently. It allows travelers to find suitable campgrounds, check amenities, and read community feedback on sites before visiting. Many also like the offline functionality for remote trips and the customizable search options tailored to RV or camping preferences. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some listings may be outdated, the interface can feel cluttered at times, and certain features may require in-app purchases or subscriptions. Additionally, new users may need some time to familiarize themselves with all the navigation and filter options. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Allstays app may be worth using if you're a camper, RV owner, or traveler looking for a detailed and mobile-friendly resource for trip planning. It shines in convenience, route planning, and offline access. However, if you're looking for a completely free solution or minimalistic interface, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.